Is ChatGPT not working? Don't worry, we have got some effective solutions lined up for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Reload and wait it out. One of the most common issues with ChatGPT is the error message, ChatGPT is at capacity right now. This usually means that either the server is at capacity or there are too many requests. Most of the times, a simple reload will get things working for you. If it doesn't, keep doing it for a few times and you will see that OpenAI will present you with the login page. Here, log into ChatGPT with your credentials and you should be able to use it. Method 2. Try a different browser. Sometimes using a different browser can help you log into your ChatGPT account. If you have any other browser installed on your computer, open a new tab there and go to the website. You will be presented with the login screen. Here, log into your account using your credentials. Enter your prompt to confirm that ChatGPT is working. Method 3. Log out and log in again. If you notice errors in generating a response to your prompts, a simple solution you need to try is logging out and logging into your account. From the left pane, click on your account name. In the additional context menu, click on Log Out. Once you have logged out of your account, try signing in again with your credentials. Now enter your prompt and check if the error persists. ChatGPT should generate answers now. Method 4. Clear cache. The next thing you should do to fix the error is to delete the browser cache. It might be your browser cache that is corrupted and triggered this error. So clear the cache from Chrome and check if it helps. First, go to your Google Chrome browser and click on the three-dot menu option from the upper right corner. Now choose the More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data option. You can also press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Del hotkey to open the Clear Browsing Data dialog. Next, select All Time as the time range and tick the cached images and file checkbox and other checkboxes as per your requirement. After that, hit the Clear Data button to delete the cache. Once done, restart your Chrome browser and check if the error is resolved. Method 5. Use a different network or VPN. Sometimes due to internal issues, OpenAI will trigger a Cloudflare response restricting your IP address. In these situations, you will need to use a different network connection to log into ChatGPT if you do not want to wait it out. Another solution you can try is using a VPN app. This will encrypt your network connection and allow you to access ChatGPT. And there you have it. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.